Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about ranula. We have three pairs of major salivary glands. These are parotid glands, submandibular glands and the sublingual glands. Parotid and the submandibular glands located outside the oral cavity, whereas sublingual glands located within the oral cavity below the tongue or in the floor of the mouth. Apart from these major salivary glands, we have numerous numbers of minor salivary glands. These minor salivary glands are situated within the oral cavity, that is in the inner surface of the lips, cheeks, tongue, floor of the mouth, palate, etc. Now the function of these salivary glands are to secrete saliva within the oral cavity so that our oral cavity they keep it moist. They helps us to chew our food, they help us to speech, and they help us also in digestion of the carbohydrate food. Whenever there is a trauma to the salivary gland or the salivary duct, then there is a disruption of the saliva, and these saliva can get accumulated underneath the mucous membrane and form a cyst. Whenever there is a trauma to the minor salivary gland and the saliva flow is disrupted, it forms mucocele, or it's called mucous retention cyst. But whenever there is a trauma to the sublingual salivary gland, what happens? There is a disruption of the flow of the saliva and the saliva gets accumulated beneath the tongue. Then we call it as a ranula. Clinically, it appears as a clear fluid-filled swelling or sometimes bluish fluid-filled swelling beneath the or the undersurface of the tongue. On palpation, it is soft, fluctuant and non-tender. There are two treatment options for the ranula. One, we have to go for marsupialization or the surgical excision of the ranula along with excision of the sublingual salivary gland. In marsupialization, first we cut open the cyst to drain out the contents within the cyst. Once the full content is drained out, then the margins of the cystic lining is sutured with the normal mucosa to create a small pouch like kangaroo pouch. So this kangaroo pouch helps to further drain out any materials that collects within that pouch. So this process is known as the marsupialization. In surgical excision, we not only remove the cyst, along with the cyst, we also remove the damaged or the injured sublingual salivary gland. This we do to prevent any kind of recurrence. So this is about ranula, its pathogenesis, its clinical features and the treatment options. Thank you.